When it comes to creating a comfortable, eco-friendly, and cost-efficient home, energy-efficient windows are a game-changer. Salt Lake City, with its unique climate characterized by hot summers, cold winters, and abundant sunshine, demands windows that can balance energy savings, comfort, and aesthetics. Here's your complete guide to choosing and installing energy-efficient windows tailored to Salt Lake City homes. Why energy-efficient windows matter. Energy-efficient windows provide a host of benefits. Cost savings. They reduce the amount of energy needed to heat and cool your home, cutting utility bills significantly. Comfort. These windows maintain consistent indoor temperatures by minimizing drafts and heat transfer. Environmental impact. By reducing energy consumption, energy-efficient windows help lower your carbon footprint. Noise reduction. They also improve soundproofing, keeping outdoor noise at bay. Enhanced home value. Modern, efficient windows increase the resale value of your home. For Salt Lake City residents, where temperatures swing from freezing in winter to sweltering in summer, these benefits are particularly impactful. Features of energy-efficient windows. Low E glass coatings. Low emissivity, low E coatings are ultra-thin layers applied to window glass to minimize heat transfer. In Salt Lake City, this means reflecting heat in summer and keeping warmth inside during winter. Double or triple glazing. Multiple glass panes separated by insulating gas, like argon or krypton, improve thermal performance. Double glazing is often sufficient, but triple glazing can be advantageous in particularly cold areas. Gas fills. The space between panes in double or triple glazed windows is often filled with an inert gas, which enhances insulation compared to standard air. Window frame materials. Vinyl. Affordable, low maintenance, and efficient. Wood. Excellent insulator but requires upkeep. Fiberglass. Durable and offers superior energy performance. Aluminum. Lightweight and strong but less efficient and less thermally broken. Warm edge spacers. These spacers between panes reduce heat loss around the edges of the glass, improving overall efficiency. Solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC. SHGC measures how much solar heat a window allows inside. For Salt Lake City, you'll want windows with a moderate SHGC to balance winter heating needs with summer cooling efficiency. U factor. This measures the rate of heat transfer. A lower U factor indicates better insulation, crucial for keeping your home warm in the colder months. Choosing energy-efficient windows for Salt Lake City homes. Understand local climate needs. Salt Lake City's cold winters and sunny summers mean you'll want windows with a balance of insulation, low U factor, and solar control, appropriate SHGC. Check for Energy Star certification. Look for Energy Star rated windows designed for the northern or north-central climate zones. These windows meet rigorous standards for energy efficiency. Consider UV protection. With Salt Lake City's high elevation and sunny weather, UV blocking windows can protect your furnishings from fading and reduce cooling costs. Focus on professional installation. Even the best windows will underperform if improperly installed. Hire experienced professionals who understand Salt Lake City's climate challenges. Benefits of retrofitting existing windows. If replacing windows isn't in your budget, consider retrofitting existing ones. Add weather stripping to seal leaks. Install window films for UV protection and heat control. Use insulating drapes or blinds to reduce heat loss. Upgrade to storm windows for additional insulation. Financial incentives and rebates. Salt Lake City residents can take advantage of various programs to offset the cost of energy-efficient windows. Federal tax credits. The U.S. government offers tax credits for energy-efficient home improvements, including windows. Utah energy rebates. Check with local utility companies for rebates or incentives for installing efficient windows. Property assessed clean energy (PACE) programs. These allow homeowners to finance energy-efficient upgrades and pay through property taxes. Maintaining energy-efficient windows to maximize the lifespan and efficiency of your windows. Clean the glass regularly with non-abrasive solutions. Inspect for seal damage and repair promptly. Keep tracks and frames clear of debris. The path to a greener, more comfortable home. Investing in energy-efficient windows for your Salt Lake City home is a smart decision. Not only will you enjoy year-round comfort and reduced energy bills, but you'll also contribute to a more sustainable future. By choosing the right windows and ensuring proper installation, you'll transform your home into a haven of efficiency and style. Explore local options, consult professionals, and take advantage of incentives today. Your perfect energy-efficient window solution awaits.